Hey guys! I know we're being quiet because Dad's on a call right there, but we are making slime, which is some glow.
He's making glow in the dark, and I'm making normal slime.
Okay, so first you need to empty your whole bottle in a bowl. It's 5-ounce bottles.
Oh, that's very cool. And it's very glittery too. I have to stop right here and glue.
Comes out a lot easier.
But the clear ones are way easier. But I've gotten like all
I didn't use that terminology.
Also, if I'm talking weird, I got something put in my mouth today.
Want some help, Kemper?
Working on this.
Yeah, she chimed +1. You said.
I'm taking all of mine.
What do I do now?
I honestly, I don't know. Griffin actually was backing me up.
This is harder to get out, isn't it?
Like, he was actually saying, no, he's like, James is right.
Yeah,
Like,
it is
we do
good.
need to do
Just
like,
drops it in.
understanding what these things mean and what, fields are there.
It feels like there's more in
there. What compliance can do. He's like,
That's just glue.
baked in yet. No, why is that not baked in yet? Like, what I don't get is, we have done a lot of work with Pega. And I understand, like, this home built solution and Pega, they don't talk to each other. But, the general principles of what was being built into Pega could easily be translated into what we were doing with SCM. Why is that not being done?
His glue is like thicker than yours, I think.
Like, we had decked out whole workflows, everything.
I think that's good. Oh, that's good.
There's still more coming.
Nobody that was working on Pega has anything to do with SCM. Arthur wasn't even on Pega.
I need to measure the liquid to make it slime.
Was he? Oh, he never once, to be fair, Andre never once attended any of the meetings that I was in. And I was in meetings with these guys for 4 to 5 hours a day.
I have to measure it.
Measure it.
So it says, empty an entire bottle of Elmer's glue into a bowl. Shake bottle of glow magical liquid for best results. Pour out in a little bit at a time, about a teaspoon worth, and mix until slime starts to form.
So my priorities.
Should I start stirring?
Well, right now, so these are my priorities. This one, CSC, getting that rolled out, and try
Glittery and sparkly.
those are, my top 3.
Let me know if you need more.
Okay.
Keep stirring. Kemper, stir.
I'm going to stir the whole, stir. Oh yeah.
Oh, no. So that's the next meeting that
Okay, let's do a little more. Kemper.
I'm setting up.
Try a
We're
little
calling
too.
to,
I'll do very slowly.
and discuss the data. So that's what that list is. So I'll set up with, I'll put in the meeting invite.
It looks like,
This is going to delay our
it looks like it's forming.
audit.
It looks like it's forming.
It's tough.
It's forming. Oh, look at it. It's forming.
No,
it's not.
Keep stirring. Here, put activators on this.
Sorry.
The activator's on the side. It looks like mine's forming.
Kinda.
Yeah, kind of forming. Mine's getting thicker. Yours is turning into slime.
Kemper, stir.
No, you're more than welcome to come over. Yeah,
Duh.
That's
And it
good.
says, mix until slime starts to form, then take the slime out of the bowl and knead. I would leave it in the bowl because of the table.
Tommy, come on, mama, please. That's it. So, it's tough.
It just feels like glue to me. Stop.
Go.
Want to start?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's working.
Try to activate.
Good job.
It's like pouring it in.
Well, it's not working at all. It doesn't feel like.
Fine.
It just feels like
Yeah, I
glue.
have no issues with that
Now
whatsoever.
it's kind of.
Like, we already know this is gonna be, last.
I remember that happened last time when we used that stuff you have to
And I
add in
think
the
we were talking
bottle.
about it in September, or, September before we'd be able to do anything, because
Mine's
literally,
falling now.
there's nothing we can do. Like, I'm just surprised that these guys
Still
aren't
just
as
gluey.
far along as
See,
they
look.
are, given the fact that.
It says knead it, so I'm kneading it, and it's just glue.
It's just glue.
Yes.
Wash your hands.
Well, you think she needs
Kemper,
to
or
wash her
Arden, can you add
hands?
more? But put it on my hands.
Ooh,
Hurry. My hands are sticky. Look. Put it on my hands.
on her hands.
Squeeze it.
Oh, squeeze it.
Yeah, it's
There
thick.
you are.
That's thick.
Okay, that's
I'm
good.
gonna add some more to mine. That's work.
So, I feel
Now it's
comfortable
kind of
with
working.
Colin being the one to
Kind
do
of
it.
working.
Do I know about Colin's full bandwidth?
That was way
No.
more than a
The reason
teaspoon
why
that we
I'm
needed.
saying- Well, so here's the reason why I'm saying that.
The
Because we
bottle.
haven't actually
I
seen
think
the
we still
data
need more.
yet,
Look, it's still
we don't know what the hell we're actually looking at. Like,
What
we could
the
be getting
heck?
a metric
Do you want
ton
me
of
to
data,
put this on
and
your
could,
hands?
Yeah.
Easily monopolize all
Squeeze it.
of, Colin's time.
Okay, that's good.
But if it does turn into
Okay,
a
keep it
discussion
right over.
where, we need to,
Okay.
take up more of his, bandwidth,
Not very much.
I have no
It's
issues,
not that
looping you and you.
Now it's finally
making
getting
suggestions,
a bit
saying,
more
"This is a
consistency
priority
of
for us,
slime."
We have to do this, or else our investigation's going to a halt.
It's not very
So,
sticky.
I need
It's still
Colin,
sticky, but it's getting
I'm
better.
good with that, but I need
Getting
Colin
better?
to tell me what the hell we're
Okay,
looking
I
at.
can't even mix
before I
this with
even
this
get
anymore,
that.
so,
Do you want to microwave it?
No, I don't want to microwave it.
Kemper, that melts the slime.
That means
No, I don't need more. It's
Kemper, I
getting
need
better.
more.
Arden needs more.
Alright, here you go.
This one's actually turning into slime now.
This one's not.
You really have to knead it for a while.
Apparently, Sabina wants to be in the video.
Sorry about our cat. She wants to be in the video.
See, this is getting better now.
Sabina, do you want to be in the
Now
video?
it's actually getting off my hands kind of too.
Yeah.
She's sniffing.
Well,
Finally getting better.
Mine's getting better too.
Oh, good.
See, look. It's getting off my hand even.
you're on the stem.
Wow.
So you have to add way more than a teaspoon like the bottle says.
Don't listen to the
No,
bottle.
We added like almost the whole bottle between the two of us, I
Every
think.
Wednesday, right before lunch.
That was easy. Right, Mom?
Okay, now I'm gonna put it back in the bowl to get this last little bit.
Mine's kind of jiggly.
Kind of jiggly slime.
This one's definitely more stretchy.
So CSC,
This one's very jiggly.
yeah. So CSC, what we need to do is,
See, stretchy,
Chloe
stretchy.
is holding off on
Thick,
giving me
but
her
it's
estimates
jiggly.
until I'll probably see them tomorrow morning.
Glossy.
I'll do a quick email to
Jiggly
John.
gum.
For,
It's
what
jiggly
orders
gum.
we
Not
have.
jiggly gum.
I've asked
not a
that
thing.
for each new order,
Do
that
you remember I
Yeah,
got
it's
like
chewing
the
gum.
stuff?
So
Dang.
here's what it turned out like.
The
Add a little more.
slime.
and then
What is that
there's
slime called? What was like very soft.
Butterfly.
Okay, Kemper, I'm gonna put it in the bowl for
So I
you.
have
Butterfly.
You can feel
Julian's.
Whoa, that is
Mine
incredible.
looks in this last tiny bit.
Already have
That's
another
incredible.
She only needed one extra
That's
one.
incredible. What the heck?
So I'm
You have to keep your hands moving.
Oh, my hands moving. Keep my hands moving. Keep my hands moving. Keep my hands
This is
moving.
Okay,
all
don't
I
get it
do.
on the table though.
What the?
Okay, there. If it's too sticky, we're gonna add a little more.
Mine's a little sticky.
There,
Oh,
squeeze. Squeeze. Keep squeezing. Kemper.
Squeeze it.
Kemper, you can't just sit there with your hands on it. You have to get it off your hands or it's too sticky. Oh my god.
Right, so what I want to do is I want to get these people their devices first.
Keep
right?
squeezing
And
it.
then we can, get contacts in and get them set up. Show that they're going to use CSC.
Okay, try and get it off your hands.
Right. There's literally no difference
Off
between the web-based interface.
Okay,
and
don't get it
the
on the
interface
table,
that's
though.
Set up on this secure device. It's a setup
That
that's
one.
going to be really difficult for
Hold on.
people, and even that's not hard
Lean
because it
it
comes with
Arden.
instructions on how to set it up.
Okay, go wash your hands.
Yeah. And some.
Oh, I already have that.
This one's not as bad if you like keep moving.
Oh, this is like leaking through the napkin. Excellent.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And I'm totally good with that because like all we have to do for
This one just like
Cairo, we bug all.
it's good in the bowl, but then
I don't understand why this is sticky on
India,
Kemper because
it's literally just for Sean.
it's not too bad
and
for me.
Walt. That's it. Easy.
more.
But it definitely worked. It's definitely slime.
So for Sean
This
and
is
Molly
like
are team managers.
Yeah,
So
it is.
it should be like your
Oh,
first point of escalation should always be your boss.
Mine
Do you
is
need more?
like I just added
For
more.
Walt is
Is it too sticky?
fine security.
Yeah, it's like in the bowl it's good, but then you take it out and it's more
Okay,
not.
here, hold his.
It sticks to the
I'll
bowl.
try and
Okay, this is cool. It glows in the dark. Yeah, this is,
Yeah, I'm just gonna add a little
doesn't
more.
stick to me at
They
all.
already know that if there's issues, they can,
Hopefully
ping
it
me.
sticks.
It could be, yours could be different because it's like a different type
It's a
of glue.
different type of glue.
There's no
That's what I was thinking.
difference in how these
This
people
is
are going to, their
sticky.
logins are
And
going to
this
be
is
the exact same.
glow in the dark glue. And it was glow in the dark activator, so it's probably just fine.
Right, so that's where I'm saying, like,
It's watery.
that will have,
See,
it
that's
does
what
have
I-
a
that always
function on how to
happens
set
when I
up
make
set hardware. For
It's getting
people in
better though.
Seattle, they have
See?
the optional,
It's like stretchy.
monitor. Like, I don't know what the hell we're gonna do with 36 fucking monitors. I'll be perfectly honest with you. Like, what am I
It
supposed to do
works
with
though.
this?
It's turned out good. Here, yours is like, I see what you mean, it's jiggly. It's getting better
Once I
though.
get the device out,
I'm helping
well,
Arden
yeah.
with yours because yours turned out
Yeah,
really good.
absolutely.
It's not sticking to Arden's
but-
hands. This is the Arden's. I'm helping.
I know,
She has the one that you
actually,
made.
Today I used
Is it not
the
sticking
camera
on her?
feature on my notebook
No.
so I can talk with,
It's a little
Arden, here, try
cabinet.
this.
um,
I think it's better.
but
Try it.
that's gonna
Is that
be
better?
Oh yeah, it's very good.
Is it good? You
Yeah,
like it?
this is better than it was. Better than it was.
It's a different texture, but it's
Cool.
it's better.
I like it.
You're overthinking it.
So
But
if you get just a regular bottle of Elmer's Magical Liquid Glow Slime Activator and
You use lots of teaspoons.
glow in the dark blue,
Yeah.
or if you want it like Arden's texture, just get regular school glue. And I'd say it worked.
Yep.
Add more than they said.
Yes.
A little bit at a time to see.
Don't add a teaspoon. Add a teaspoon at first, and then keep adding teaspoons.
So we used like half the bottle.
Oh my god.
It's right there.
For 2 batches.
And yes.
For 2 batches.
So let us know what you think of our slime video.